Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve a couple of numericals. One numerical is as like an electric bulb is rated to 20 volt, 220 volt and 100 watt is written on it. What will be power consumed when operated at 110 volt? In order to solve this very question, we are having a relation of power. We know power equals to V square over R. So what we will do first? We are having first the V given, that's 220. We are having first the P given, that's 100 watt. We will calculate R, the resistance of the bulb. So R equals to V square by P. So R equals to how much is V square? That's 2 to 0 into 2 to 0, or it is power, that's 100 watt. That's this 0 leaves with this 0 leaves with this is 22 into 22, that is 4840. This comes out to be resistance. Now we will write it. Now power consumed by bulb when operated at 110 volt. So again the same formula, P or P dash, will P dash equals to what? Again the V square by R. R is not going to change, or V dash square. Now the voltage we are having totally different. So which implies P dash is equal to how much is V dash? V dash is now 110 into 110 over R. We have already calculated, that is 484. Once you are going to solve this at your respective place, you will get P dash equals to how much? 25 watt. This is the power consumed when the bulb is operated at a voltage of 110 volt. Okay, we're having now another numerical which is very much important. Two conducting wires of same material. If they are of same material, then their resistivity is same and of equal lengths and equal diameters. As now lengths and diameters are same, then their resistances are same. Are first connected in series, then in parallel. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination would be, we have to calculate the ratio of, we have to calculate Hs, heat produced in series, over Hp, heat produced in parallel. First, as since as wires are made of same material with equal length and equal diameters, with equal, what I mean with same length and equal diameters, then their resistance is same, then resistance is same. This logic we have to follow. As we are having two wires, let their resistance be R. Let R be resistance. Then RS, what is RS? Resistance is series, that will be simply R plus R, that will be 2R. And when the both are connected in parallel, That is 1 by Rp. When the same resistance are connected in parallel, I will solve it simultaneously. It will be 1 by R plus 1 by R equals to 2 by R, which implies Rp equals to R by 2. This is the resistance in parallel. This is the resistance in series. Now, what the question asks? It asks the ratio of heat produced in series. We know once we'll first calculate the power. Then we will calculate the once we will calculate the power, then we can calculate the heat also. Actually, what we have to, the ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination would be, we have to calculate the ratio of those two very okay. Now, so this is the resistance in series, this is the resistance in parallel. Now we will calculate heat produced. We know heat produced is equal to H is equal to V square by R into time t. So we can here write it down, Hs heat produced series equals to V square the voltage over Rs into time t, and in case of parallel we will place it Hp, the heat produced in parallel will be V square by Rp into time t. Using the respective values, Hs heat produced in series is equal to V square will remain as V square, Rs is 2R into time t, and here it will be Hp heat produced in parallel will be V square R parallel is R by 2 into t, that will be 2 V square t by R. This. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate Hs over Hp is equal to, that's V square t by 2R whole divided by 2V square t by R, which comes out to be V square t by 2R into R by 2V square t. This t leaves with this t, this V square leaves with this R leaves with this R. It is simply 1 by 4. So Hs is to Hp equals to 1 is to 4. This is the correct option. This is the heat produced when the two wires of same material are first connected in series, then in parallel, then heat produced will be 1 is to 4. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with many more numericals. Till then, Allah Hafiz.